man, look at this guy covered in mud. Oh my god. Wow. Oh my god. Okay, only one thing for it. Welcome back, ladies and gents. It's the last day of my Jordan adventure, and I'm feeling it as well. I'm feeling a little bit under the weather and knackered. You know, when you get to the end of your trip and you're just there, want to go home. I'm pretty much there. But anyway, today I'm about to catch a bus to the Dead Sea, which is going to be really cool and awesome, and I'm going to check out the whole area. I've got the whole day there, so it should be really interesting. But before we go, let me show you my room. Huge room for like 25 quid a night, not bad, and some funky wallpaper. But yeah, let's go to the Dead Sea. I'm gonna go for a swim and see if I float. Let's see what the Dead Sea is like. Yeah, I'm in a totally different area of Oman than I was last time. Last time I was here a few videos ago, I was right in the center. But now I'm not. I'm now like 6 kilometers outside the center, I think. That's some pretty cool artwork, and it's a bit sketchy. I don't know, it's a totally different vibe, to be honest. But anyway, I think I'm going this way. Finding the bus stop to go to the Dead Sea is it's not straightforward, because there's multiple bus stops in Oman, and my ticket doesn't state which bus stop or which time. If you check online, there's different reports what time the bus goes from what bus station. It's not very easy to find out, but hopefully I'm at the right one. Some skyscrapers over there. Yeah, I think I'm down here. Alright, I found a bus station just there, and it's actually at 9 o'clock, so I've got time to kill. And I asked the guy behind the counter, I said, are there any good breakfast stores, breakfast restaurants around here? And he said, no, all is bad here, everything bad. So I'm just gonna try and find a coffee shop. Yeah, I've got about 45 minutes to kill. All right, that's good, that's a relief. I didn't know where the hell I was for a minute there, but we're at the right place.
أنا شايف هذا الباص في أعتقد ريان موجود خلينا شوي ريان ديار
لأنه في واحد رحلته بكرة مش اليوم بس غيروها. اللي بتعرف تحجز على الجسر؟ احجز على الجسر يا جول. والله الجول مو صار. والله الجول اسمه القرشي. ألو.
اسمع دوري باسم مارك.
ما حجزتكيش الجول؟
ما حيكون لانه ايمان.
ماشي اوكي هاي مش ده مش مبينه عند علاء.
مين علاء؟
علاء شزبور، الايميلات عنده.
طب المفروض هم من عندهم يعني هم بيفتحوش يشيكوا على الايميلات ولا
شبلي ما برد.
واحمد شبلي ما شاء الله خلص صار وزير.
اسمع صور هاي هيك. صور لي اياها نشوف احمد شبلي.
هذا ضمن المجموعة اللي معهم. هذول المجموعة ضمن المجموعة.
اسمه مش موجود.
لا مش جاي. لا مو جاي
خلص
مو جاي.
يلا اوكي.
Good lord, why is it always me, eh? I have no idea what they were saying, but anyway, we're good to go, and this is my bus to the Dead Sea. Good lord.
You know which this one the city in there? Yeah, this is Israel. This is Palestine, not Israel.
Oh wow, Palestine.
Yeah, and the city the name Ariha. Okay, you will see here where the green. This is the Jordan River and Israel River. And in Jerusalem, it's half border here, and half the green. It's half border to Palestine and Jordan. And the border and Jerusalem, 27 kilometers. 20 minutes the car.
We stopped off at a shop and check out these swords. Badass swords. I don't think I'll get that through customs on the way back home, but some lovely art. Look at that, good old Petra. So as you can see here, hopefully, the Dead Sea is over 400 meters below sea level. So there's the Mediterranean Sea and Jerusalem across the lake, because the Dead Sea is a lake really. And there's Amman, and yeah, the Dead Sea, 400 meters below sea level. Lowest place on earth, right? Crazy. Basically at the Dead Sea, there's just hotels. So you got to pay a bit of money to spend a day, get a day pass here. So I've come to O Beach, which cost me 30 quid, and that's including lunch. And that's the cheapest option. If you go to like one of the other 4-star hotels, it's going to cost you like 80 or 100 quid. So it's ridiculous. But anyway, here we are to the beach. Look at this. Oh wow. Now you can see the salt crustaceans. And you're only supposed to spend 15 minutes in the Dead Sea. And not more. But it's really good for you, right? Really good for your body, rheumatism, all of that stuff. There is a public beach which is totally free just up there, but there's no like showers or restaurants, so you might as well pay some money to have a nice lunch and have a nice hotel experience, you know what I mean? But here we are, a bit small. There's a free beach just up there. Alright, we're here at the Dead Sea. There's Israel across the border. It's pretty quiet here. The salt crustaceans. Alright, better to go in the Dead Sea. Oh wow, look at the colours here. Wow. Jesus Christ, I almost fell on my arse. Oh man, it's really warm. Lovely. Oh, it's not cold at all. Wow, it's crazy. You are floating. How crazy is that? That's madness. That's crazy how you can't go under the water. You could just float away. So peaceful. I'm trying to stay afloat while filming. Oh, my lunch ticket. Just found my lunch ticket in my pocket. Ow, it's really rocky. Oh man, look at this guy covered in mud. Oh my god. Very good, very good. Look at him. Wow. Oh my god. Okay, only one thing for it.
It's very good for the skin, by
Yeah.
the way, yeah.
Okay. I can only do it with one hand, obviously, because I've got a camera in my hand, so let's do the legs. Oh god. Alright, take two. How do I look? What's that? Okay, no problem. Sorry? Ah, right, okay. Thank you. I'm holding a camera, so.
And you have to wait until it becomes dry.
Oh,
Then go to the water.
and then go in.
Yeah.
Oh,
Should
right.
do it now or just go to the...
No, directly.
Okay, thank you. This guy's kindly offering to cover my back in mud. How long should you wait? Like 10 minutes?
I believe it will take like 10 minutes.
Okay. Have you done this before?
This is my first time, but I got the instructions from the guy.
Oh, right, okay. Fully covered. Wow. Head to toe. Thank you.
Most welcome, dear.
I'll wait. And that's all she wrote. I'm afraid, ladies and gents, my SD card on my camera got corrupted when I was in the Dead Sea trying to film covered in mud. So it was a bit of a nightmare, and I've only just about got it fixed, although my camera's still a bit not working properly. Anyway, that's the end of my Jordan adventure. That's the end of my time here, and I'll leave you with views of the Dead Sea. What a place. I've loved Jordan. Thanks so much for watching anyway, and hopefully I'll see you again soon. Take care.